It's a big boost as far as India's combat power is concerned. The Indian Army has received the remaining 3 Boeing Apache attack helicopters, which will soon join the Army's 451 Army Aviation Squadron based in Jodhpur. As per Army, the helicopters will be deployed in Jodhpur after assembly, joint inspections and completion of other formalities in the next couple of days. The helicopters were brought to India aboard an Antonov AN-124 aircraft. Why is this so significant? What this means for India's big combat arsenal, and why is it such a big deal? This report answers those questions for you.
A major milestone for India's defense readiness. The Indian Army has taken delivery of the final batch of AH-64E Apache attack helicopters, completing the induction of all 6 combat gunships under its contract with the United States. The 3 latest Apaches will soon be deployed with the 451 Army Aviation Squadron in Jodhpur, Rajasthan after final assembly, joint inspections and formalities are complete. Boeing-built Apaches are among the world's most advanced attack helicopters, often described as flying tanks thanks to their lethal mix of firepower, survivability and all-weather capability. With this final batch, the Army completes its Apache fleet and adds much-needed teeth to India's aerial combat repertoire, significantly boosting strike, reconnaissance and close support capability on the Western Front. The Apache's advanced targeting systems, Hellfire missiles, 70mm rockets and nose-mounted 30mm chain gun give Indian forces a decisive edge in neutralizing enemy armor and air defense, day or night. Officials say the induction not only strengthens India's operational reach, but also underscores the deepening India-US defense partnership. As these Apaches take flight over Indian skies, military planners expect a significant enhancement in quick reaction strike capability, a clear boost to national defense at a time of evolving security challenges.